Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to fix the media keeps stopping error on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again, tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on my phone. After click on my phone, so you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is reset all settings. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system. After click on system, click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset and enter phone pin. Click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix the media keeps stopping error on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.